Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 3 ways to promote and market your Fiverr gigs to get your first order on the Fiverr platform. Maybe you're new to Fiverr freelancing, or you have been on Fiverr marketplace for a long time but you don't seem to have the orders that will make you the money that you want. Don't worry, because in today's video I'm going to walk you through 3 websites that you can promote your Fiverr gigs to make money online using Fiverr freelancing. Then you're on the right video, because all you need to do is to watch this video all the way to the end, because I will show you not less than 3 powerful websites where you can promote your Fiverr gigs and get orders within few days, probably a week, if you do it correctly. Without wasting any much time, let's get started with the video. And here you can see I'm on my laptop screen, and this is my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch my other videos. You can see my last 2 videos. I showed you how to make $100 every day on Fiverr using what we call voiceover videos. And the second video I made before that one, you can see where I showed you how to make $50 every single day. And the other one also, I also walk you through 12 easiest Fiverr gigs that requires 0 skills and 0 technical knowledge, which you can use to make $100 every single day. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop another powerful video. So let's get started with the Fiverr marketing tutorial here. So what you're going to do is 3 websites that you can use to promote your Fiverr gigs. That when you promote your Fiverr gigs to your customers, to your prospects out there, they will reach out to you and order your services here on Fiverr that will make you money. So the first website you want to use is to go over to a website we call Quora.com. And this website has been used severally on the internet. So many creators have talked about it, and it's powerful. That's why everybody keeps talking about it. So what you're going to do when you get to this website is to go to the search bar and search for questions that your clients, your prospects will be searching for when they want you to serve them with your services on Fiverr. So for example, I'm going to search for a question: how to get a video editor. For example, your gig is about video editing, so this is what you're going to type in to get people who are looking for your services on Fiverr. So you can see now that Quora has pre-populated so many questions related to video editing. This one says, how do you get started as an editor? How do I get a video editor? Okay, I'm going to click on this because this question is interesting. If you answer this question correctly and put in your Fiverr gig link, you can get clients from here. So let's click on this question and see how we can answer it. Okay, as you can see, 11 people are following this question. So whenever you answer this question, 11 people are going to see it and many other people. And if you check, if you look at the right hand corner of this site, you can see that there are many other questions, related questions. Let's check it out. How do I get a video editor for my channel? You can see this is a question that somebody is asking, and if you can answer this question and put in your Fiverr gig link, someone is going to reach out to you and give you work to do on Fiverr that will make you money. The second question is, what is a video editor? Where can I find a professional video editor? Another good question. Let's click on this and see how we can answer it. Now you can see this is the question: what is a video editor and where can I find a professional video editor? What we are going to do is to answer this question, write a detailed answer that will be more than what people here have answered already. You can see someone is doing the exact same thing that I'm about to show you. This person answered this question and said video editors are used to cut, trim, merge and arrange clips, add transitions, apply visual effects. And after answering this question, look at what this person does. Look at what this person did here. He said Fiverr is primarily a platform for hiring. This is a link to her Fiverr profile, where anybody that reads this question, reads this answer, can click on here and reach out on Fiverr, give her the job, and she's going to edit the video and get paid for that. Bro, this is like a zero cost masterclass tutorial You don't want to you don't want to do anything other than this. Subscribe to this channel and keep watching my videos. Look at this. It says Fiverr is primarily a platform for hiring freelancers to perform various tasks in whatever industry you want. So we are going to look for how to answer this question and put our link as this person did here also. So there are several ways to answer these questions. We can use ChatGPT. Let's check ChatGPT. Click on here, go to a website called chatgpt.openai.com, and you can say, and you can put in a command like write me an answer to the Quora question, comma, and you can go to Quora, copy your question, go back to ChatGPT and paste in your question. Hit enter, and once you hit enter, ChatGPT is going to write you a detailed answer to this question. And after you've gotten that answer from ChatGPT, you go over to your Quora and paste in that answer and copy the link to your Fiverr gig and paste there. ChatGPT is taking some time to load up, so let's wait for it. As you can see, ChatGPT has started writing, and these are the reasons. Now ChatGPT has written. So what you're going to do is to copy the answer that ChatGPT is going to give you here. Once you copy this, copy all the answer that ChatGPT has given you, you can see it's a very detailed one to step 4, 5, and it's still writing. If you copy all of this, you can see this is a very detailed answer. Copy all of this, go back to Quora, Fiverr is still taking time to load up. Go back to Quora, click on where it says answer question. Once you click on answer, it will open up a page that looks like this where you can paste in or write your answer. So let's wait for this to load up so we can paste in the answer we just copied from ChatGPT. I'm going to go over to ChatGPT again to copy my entire answer. I'm going to copy the whole of this. Click on right click, copy, and go over to okay, click on answer once again. Once you click on answer, it's going to show you this place where you have to click. It's going to show that you're this person. This is the question. Okay, this page is taking time to load, but basically what we need to do when you get to this page is to paste in your answer and link to your Fiverr gig, so that when someone reads the question and gets to your answer, the person is going to reach you out through your Fiverr gig, where you can offer your services on Fiverr and get paid. Then the second method to promote your Fiverr gig is to go to facebook.com. Everybody knows Facebook. It's a social media platform where so many people come to do so many things on the internet, chatting and many other things. So what you're going to do when you get to facebook.com is to go to where it says groups. Click on groups. And it's taking some time to load up. So we're going to wait for it. My internet is a little bit slow today. Okay, click on where it says groups once again. Click on groups. And once you click on groups, search groups. You can search for video editing. Click enter. And once you click enter after searching for video editing, Facebook is going to show you several groups created around video editing. You can see this one says video editor's job in India. This is video editing. The second one, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok video editing services, and this is what you're looking for. And you can see this one has 128,000 members. This one has 105,000 members. This one has 46,000 members. And if you click on where it says see all, you will see even more groups that are related to video editing. This is CapCut video editing and Reels only, and this one has 103,000 members. This one has 17,000 members. Professional video editing services. These are all services that if you can join these groups and show how well you can work, people are going to reach out to you and give you works on Fiverr where you can work and get paid online. So click on join all these groups. Once you join a couple of these groups, click on where it says visit, where you can visit the group and private chat some people in the group, tell them how well you can work, and people are going to give you group. Here you can see you can write something in this group, you can post in the group. Let me create a post. So you can write something like, hi guys, do you need a professional video editor? You can put up a question like this, because when you put up a questions like this, people are definitely going to answer you. Put comments in the comment section, and once they put the comments there, you can private chat them and share with them your previous works, things you can do, and after then they can give you work to do. So when you put in the question like this, you can go ahead to put in videos or images related to what you've done before, so that people can see the kind of work you can do. Then after that, you can click on post, and your post is going to be live in the group where all the members, 128,000 members, are going to see your group. And after they see your post here on Facebook, they will reach out to you. People are going to comment on your post and possibly give you a job. You can see this is what someone posted here, and this has 31 comments. You can see another post that someone made, say need cash cow video, a YouTube video editor. This one has 21 comments. This one has 6 comments. You can see there are several comments, 24 comments. People will comment on your videos, on your post, and once people comment on your post, you can reply them showing them how well you can do and share with them the link to your Fiverr services. And this is the second method to promote your Fiverr gig. And the third one is to go to a website called twitter.com or X, whatever it is. And once you get to this place, what you're going to do, let's wait for it to load up. What you're going to do is to go over to the search bar at the right top corner of the website and type in I need a video editor. Click on enter, and what is going to happen is that this is going to, the Twitter or X is going to pull up people that have asked questions like this or questions related to the question you just asked. You can see this person asked some days ago, November 27th. Today is November 30th, so this is 3 days ago. I need a video editor for TikTok. So these are people that are currently looking for people who will edit videos for them, and you can see this one has 390 views already. What you're going to do is to click on the message, to click on reply, and reply this person, writes the person, reply to the person exactly the services you can offer, how good you are in video editing, possibly provide your previous works you've done on Fiverr as a video editor, and this person will see that you were good at this job and they are going to reach out to you and give you work to do. So these are 3 ways to promote your Fiverr gig on the internet and make money on Fiverr as a freelancer. Reach out to these people using Quora or Facebook or Twitter. So these are 3 methods you can use to promote your Fiverr gig on the internet and make money at like $100 every single day using just Fiverr freelancing. So thank you once again for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video if you enjoyed the video so far, and watch my other videos. See you in my next video.